Boosters, welcome back to a brand new video. This is a very simple strategy. I don't think I'll go too deep into it because it is quite straightforward. Now we're gonna look for two confluences between our Hasi and our Hull butterfly oscillator. All right, whenever our Hull butterfly oscillator is oversold, we're looking for buys right here. And whenever our Hasi is also oversold, we're looking for buys. And you can see right here, those are confluences that work. All right, let me give another example. As you can see, let me go further back. As you can see, right here we are oversold in our Hasi. It touches the green area, and we corresponded with our Hull oscillator. All right, so here we've taken a buy. That was a nice buy right there. Taking a buy. That could have been a small loss if you put your stop loss too tight, but if you made it lose a little bit, you'd have won that trade. But other than that, we had another signal just after that, which was valid, and that was a winning trade. You would have immediately covered your losses and made more. All right, so that's the strategy. Very simple and effective. Try it out. Let me know how it's working for you, and yeah, I'll see you on the next one.